Hi everyone. So in this video we'll see how to use the Raspberry Pi Pico with CodeSkool using that MicroPython and PicoZero libraries. So PicoZero is basically a Python library developed by Raspberry Pi itself, Raspberry Pi Foundation itself. So basically it's a easy way to program your Raspberry Pi Pico devices. So you can read more about the Raspberry Pi PicoZero library at this URL. So as you can see, like, it provides an easy way to interface with other external devices using your Raspberry Pi Pico. So you will find like recipes for LED button, potentiometer, buzzer, speaker, etc. So the first thing you need to do is install the Python on your machine. Once you have installed Python, you need to install like pip install Adafruit AMPY. So basically this AMPY allow us to communicate using the COM port to the Raspberry Pi Pico and like upload our program on the device. So after you install Python, you have to install this library. There's one more thing you need to do is you need to download this MicroPython framework, that UF2 file, and you have to copy that file into the Pico device. So basically you hold the boot cell button and then you plug your Pico into the USB port, and then it will mount as a mass storage device. Then you just drag and drop your UF2 file which you have downloaded on your machine to the Raspberry Pi Pico volume, and then you can again like remove the USB cable and like plug it again to reboot. So once you have done that and like your Raspberry Pi Pico has that MicroPython framework, then you need to go here and download the code uploader installer. So once you download that and like unzip it, then you have to run that installer.exe. So it will like install all the other files. So once you run this installer.exe, it will install all the necessary framework files. Then you have to run your CodeSkool.exe. Now we can add the MicroPython extension. So first I select the COM port. So for my machine, like Pico is connected to COM3, and I'll just create a block. And I call this LED on and off 10 times. And in this function I just turn the LED on and off at an interval of 1 second. And I use the default LED on the board which is connected to pin 25, and it's called as Pico LED. So this is basically our program using blocks, and it has generated the corresponding MicroPython code. Now you just upload it by clicking the upload button, and as you can see it has started uploading the PicoZero libraries. Then it will upload the main.py, and then it will say like the code has been uploaded successfully to the Pico. So this will take some time, so just be patient because it will upload the full PicoZero package. So now as you can see the whole code has been uploaded to Pico. So what you do is just reboot your device by pulling the USB cable and like plugging it again, the USB cable. And you can see like the LED is blinking 10 times on and off. So as you've seen like how easy it is to program embedded devices or Raspberry Pi Pico using Scratch programming at CodeSkool. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.